So yun, sabi dito, determine the weight of cylinder B which would cause block A to accelerate for letter A 5 feet per second squared down the incline and 5 feet per second squared up the incline. Neglect all the friction. So for block A tayo. For block A. So for A, so tawagin natin yung mga cable na to is as A. Yung mga cable na to as cable A. TA tayo, guys. Cable A tayo. So dito, lagay tayong free body diagram for the weight of A. So meron tayong perpendicular na sa plane, tapos meron tayong weight dito, tapos meron tayong weight force doon. Ito is 100 pound to. Ito is 100 pound. Sine 25. Sabi dito, neglect all the friction. So dito, wala tayong friction na involved. So for block A, summation of forces is equal to mass times the acceleration of A. So yung mga forces na nag-act dito is weight force tsaka yung tension force. So meron tayong dalawang group dito na TA. So meron tayong going ulit pala tayo as positive for part A. So meron tayong positive na weight force which is 100 sine 25 minus 2TA. Bakit? Kasi yung 2TA na yun is yung tension na hihila dun sa nakokontra dun sa acceleration ng object A natin. So meron tayong 2TA. So meron pa ba? Wala na. Equals to mass which is 100 divided by 32.2 multiply the acceleration of A. So yun, meron tayong ganyan. Tapos solve natin. Simplify pala. So 100 sin 25 is ilan? 42.26. So 2 decimal na lang gagamitin. So meron tayong kaya 4 na. Meron tayong 42.2618. Tayong 42.2618 minus 2TA. Capital lang gamitin natin na subscript. 2TA is equal to 100 divided by 32.2 3.1056 acceleration of A. So yun, for block B naman tayo, equation 1 natin to. Tapos for B naman, for B, so focus tayo dito sa figure na B natin dito. So meron yung weight na pababa, diba? Which is yung B natin. Tapos meron tayong cable. Yan yung cable natin. Talo yan. Pataas. So yung cable na to is connected dun sa TA. So meron tayong 3 TA dito. Nakuha ba? Nakuha na. So yun, summation of forces tayo. So summation of forces for B is equal to mass times the acceleration of B. Then meron tayong going up as positive tayo dito. So, meron tayong 3TA. Going up as positive, meron tayong 3TA. Minus the weight force natin, which is yung B natin. Weight B. Yun lang yung nag-act na force, di ba? Is equal to the mass, which is 100. Eh, wala pala tayong mass. So, weight of B. Weight of B divided by gravity na lang. Weight of B divided by the gravity, which is 32.2. Acceleration of B tayo dito. So, yun. Solve natin yung so meron pala tayong ano dito, acceleration downward. So, pwede natin masolve yung TA dito. So, yung TA natin is what? So, meron tayong, so from equation 1 tayo. From equation number 1. Ito is equation number 2 to. Meron tayong 42.2618. 42.2618 minus 2TA. TA is equal to 3.1056. Acceleration of A tayo, which is meron tayong 5. So, solve for TA, meron tayong TA is equal to 42.2618 minus 3.1056 multiplied by 5 over 2. So, TA natin is equal to what? Meron tayong 42.2618 minus 3.1056 right over 2. 13.3669. 13.3669. So, meron tayong TA. So, substitute natin dito from equation 2. So, from equation 2 tayo. Equation 2. Meron 3TA. Yung TA natin is 13.3669 minus the weight of B is equal to weight of B divided by 32.2. Acceleration B. So, kailangan natin mag-formulate ng another equation for the acceleration kasi dalawa yung unknown natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa figure, ilan yung rope natin na nakonnect dun sa block A. So, meron tayong dalawa. So, meron tayong 2SA is equal to 3. Ilan yung rope na nakonnect dun sa B? Talo, meron tayong 3 SB. If nag-differentiate tayo dito ng dalawang buoyancies with respect to time, makakabuo tayo ng so D over dt natin with respect to time, D over dt. So meron tayong derivative of this is 2 SA, which is dSA A over dt is equal to 3 ds B all over dt. So, yan, di ba? So, ds over dt natin is equal to velocity. Yan tayong 2 BA is equal to 3 dv, bv. So, differentiate natin ulit para makuha yung acceleration. Meron tayong d over dt. Meron tayong dv over dt. Over dt. A. Tapos, meron tayong is equal to 3 dv over dt. B. So, meron tayong acceleration. 2 acceleration A is equal to 3 acceleration of B. Ano ba? So, yung acceleration of B natin, divide natin to by 3. So, meron tayong cancel to acceleration of B is equal to what? 2 multiplied by acceleration of A. Yung acceleration of A natin is given, which is 5. Then, divided by 3. So, acceleration of B natin is equal to what? Tayong 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 3. 3.3333. 3.3333. So, i-substitute natin to dito. Meron na lang tayong isang unknown. So, shishable na yan. So, meron tayong 3 multiplied by 13.3669 multiplied by weight of B is equal to weight of B all over 32.2 multiplied by 3.3333. So, yun, diba? Simplify natin. 3 multiplied by 13.3669 tayong 40.1007. 40 pala, sorry. Seven minus the weight of B is equal to 3.3333 divided by 32.2. 10.35, 0.10.35. So, meron tayong 0.1035. So, transpose natin to dito, weight of B. So, transpose natin sa kabila. So, meron tayong 40.107 is equal to 1 plus 0.1035. So, meron tayong 1.1035 weight of B. So, divide natin 1.1035. 1.1035. So, cancel to. Weight of B is equal to what? Tayong 40.1007 divided by 1.1035. And tayong 36.3396. Ano yung unit natin dito? Pound force. And pound force tayo, guys. So, yun yung sagot for part A. For part A, ito yung sagot. So, part B naman, magre-reverse yung motion natin dito. So, imbes na pababa siya, magiging pataas. So, gawin natin negative yung acceleration natin ngayon. So, yun. Magre-reverse lahat ng sign natin yan. So, solve nyo yan. So, yun for part A. So, yung part B is kaya nyo nang sagutin yan. Re-reverse nyo lang yung motion natin. Imbes na going down as positive, going up as positive tayo nun. Tapos going down dito as positive. So, yan. Nakuha ba? Kuha ba? Nakuha na.